Hello, 09 James here. I made use of my old fan that came out of my welder, the Job Smart welder. I made a homemade exhaust, fume exhaust. I just hooked it into an old VCR cable and use the existing wiring, and I use the rotary on and off switch, and I just hot glued the carbon filter onto the lid, and I cut the back out of it. It snaps on there like that, and I just used a plate and I drilled some holes and used a screw to bolt it onto the bottom of the stand right there, and there's enough clearance in there. I've been doing a lot of soldering on some projects I was doing, goofing around with it, but I'll go ahead and show you. Yeah, as you can see, it's really drawing in the air. This is something I use inside, or right here when I don't really use this much solder. I'm just using it as an example. Just draw it in. I recently did this because I was soldering some those MOSFETs on the circuit board, and I needed a fan and I didn't have one, so this is just to have one. It's just a little DIY homemade exhaust fume extractor. So it is just an old coffee can, old fan out of a welder, a filter, and an on and off switch. Yeah, that's it. Alright, thanks.